This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, dual-zone climate control, high-intensity headlights, an 8-speaker stereo system, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: steering wheel memory settings, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, LED backlit gauges, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Acura of Baton Rouge is conveniently located at 13550 Airline Highway in Baton Rouge. Contact us today to find out about our financing specials or visit us online at acuraofbatonrouge.com.